Okay, welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to do a walk around on a Vengeance toy hauler. This is a 348A13. That means it has a 13-foot garage in the back, and it features a 5500 Onan generator with a 30-gallon fuel station. It also has two large 30-pound propane tanks. Has the really nice fiberglass front cap on it with the beautiful LED lights. And this is a fiberglass camper with aluminum framing. Fiberglass campers are more durable, easier to clean, better insulated, and typically lighter weight than a wooden framed toy hauler. And you have a real nice big through storage area right here. Goes all the way through. It's finished out real nice. It's carpeted. Also, it features a docking station. Everything's right here, very easy to access. You have your outside shower, your black tank sewer flush, so you can flush your black tank after you empty it. Also, you have your city and your tank fill in here. Also, cable, satellite, all those things that you need to plug in on this side of the camper. Back here is your 30-gallon fuel station. It holds 30 gallons of unleaded gasoline. You have your fuel pump here so you can fill up your toys. And then you have your on and off for your fuel station and your fuel gauge. It also has an automatic shut off. So this is the Vengeance. It also has the ladder so you can get up on the roof and maintain your roof every year. It does pull out away from the camper for easy access, and then when you stow it against the camper, that way kids and other people can't get up there on the roof. Okay, on the Vengeance 348A13 features a patio. Beautiful patio system here. You can set up a card table, play cards out here, you know, have a few beverages out here. Also, this features a backup camera. It's pre-wired for a backup camera if you want to install the backup camera on this. That way you can maneuver easier backwards, see where you're going. You have a separate entry door into the garage. You have two power awnings on this unit, so the whole side of this fifth wheel will be covered in your awnings. It's a little windy today to pull them out. And they also feature LED lights under each awning, which really look beautiful at night. Also, this is has a 6-point leveling system. You have the leveling in back of the tires, and you have the leveling system in front of the tires. You have heavy-duty load tires with aluminum rims. Looks beautiful. Has the Trail Air suspension. It's an Equiflex suspension for a better ride. When you put your toys in the back there, you'll appreciate the Trail Air suspension. Also has outside speakers, and it features the new More Ride steps. These steps fold right up into the door jamb, stow away real easy. They are adjustable. You have adjustable legs on them in case you're sitting on an uneven pad or camping area. And this is the other side of your through storage area. You have TV hookups right here behind the door, so you can set a TV up out here underneath the awnings. Now we'll move on to the inside. Okay, right inside the entry door, you'll notice this beautiful kitchen area. You have lots of counter space, new fancy faucet here with a large stainless steel sink. Your island comes out. You have lots of storage here behind the island. You have your 3-burner stovetop back here with a little bit more counter space. You do have several outlets in this kitchen area here, so you can set up crock pots, toasters, different things of that nature. It does feature a convection microwave oven, 8 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, a little bit bigger than standard refrigerator, and this is a gas and electric refrigerator. Also, it features a large Jensen TV, a fireplace that blows heat so you can take the chill off without burning your propane furnace and save your propane for showers, cooking, and things like that. Also, the 348A13 features the large couch. This is Thomas Paine collection furniture, very comfortable. It features heat, massage, and LED lights in the cup holders, and all of them recline like this one here that I laid out. Also, there is a eating table, nice sized table here, so you can eat in here if you want to while you're watching TV. And you have lots of storage in this room here. And then moving on to the garage, it has the new Durapoxy floor. It's an easy care, petroleum resistant, odor resistant floor. They just started putting in these Vengeance toy haulers. And the flooring comes up behind the diamond plate here. So you can spray this area off and it won't get in the walls. Also, you have heavy duty tie downs throughout. Nice big wood door with glass. Beautiful door. TV hookups here. Also, the garage does have heat and air conditioning out here. This is a heat duct right here. You have your air conditioning ducts in the ceiling, so this garage is heat and air conditioned. Also, the 348A13 features a half a bath. So your guests, if you have guests staying back here, they have their own bathroom. You have window covers back here so you can black this out. If you like to sleep in, you can black this out. Also, you will have your vents. All toy haulers have 2 vents. That way, when you're hauling gas and oil, you vent the garage as you're going down the road. The 348A13 also features your Happy Jack couch and bed system here. You have 2 couches that face each other. There's a table that you can set up here in between. You can eat out here also. And this makes a big bed. 1 big bed or 2 small beds. Also, you have cup holders on each side in each couch, which is very nice. And then above us here, you have a queen size bed that comes down for extra sleeping. So you can sleep 4 grown-ups back here or several kids. And then we have the patio system. Patio system is great for just hanging out outside, playing cards. It's also a good place to keep dogs and kids contained while you're camping. Moving on back to the inside, we'll go up into the bedroom area. Right here you will find several light switches, your power awning switches, your switches for your slide out, your thermostat, USB charging area here. Also your control panel, it's all electronic. Your control panel is right here. And also you have your generator hour meter and generator start button right here. Everything's in one nice neat area right here as you come in the door. Moving on up to the bathroom. It has a walk-through bathroom, meaning you can walk through to the bedroom. It has the glass radius shower with the seat in it. So it does give you a little bit more elbow room in the shower with the rounded shower versus the squared off. And it does feature a skylight for your taller people. Also, it has a little fan in here. And then moving on into the bedroom, you have a walk-around queen bed with shirt closets and hanging closets on each side and storage above. Also, it has a second air conditioner already installed and TV hookups here in the bedroom. My name's David Cox. Thanks for watching this video of the Vengeance 348 A13, and come and see us at Paul Sherry RVs today.